Killbot versus Wordtune. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which AI writing tool is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. Number 1 is their core features. Killbot is known for its paraphrasing, grammar check, and summarizer tools. It has multiple modes like standard, fluency, and creative. On the other hand, Wordtune focuses more on real-time sentence rewriting, offering formal, casual, and shorter variations. It's especially useful for polishing emails and documents with tone control. Number 2 is their AI quality and accuracy. Killbot produces clear, paraphrased content, but sometimes its rewording can feel mechanical, while WordTune tends to generate smoother, more natural sounding sentences thanks to its stronger contextual awareness. Number 3 is their integrations and usability. WordTune has browser extensions for Gmail, Google Docs, and more, allowing seamless writing improvement as you type, while Killbot is accessible via its web interface and integrates with MS Word and Google Docs. Number 4 is their pricing. Killbot's premium plan starts around $10 a month, and it offers full access to all modes and faster processing, while WordTune's premium also starts at $9.99 a month, but has fewer restrictions even on the free tier. However, WordTune's rewriting limits can be a downside without premium. So for final verdict, Killbot is better for students, researchers, and long-form writing, while WordTune is better for professionals, marketers, and anyone who needs sentence-level clarity. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.